up, guys? So today I found two really cool new things that I really wanted to share with y'all. So first, we have this thing called Teachable Machine by Google. So all you have to do is you click Get Started. So you search up Teachable Machine, and the website is teachablemachine.withgoogle.com. So I might do an audio project. So it's going to ask for background noise and then two classes. Well, it doesn't automatically do two classes, but I'm going to add the class. So first I'm going to record my background noise right here. So, mic. So I just have to be quiet for 20 seconds. And 3, 2, 1. Just records the background noise, so it doesn't get confused. So records 9, 10, records 20 seconds of background noise, so it knows when I'm talking and when I'm not talking. Yeah. So it's recording my background noise. There's my background noise. Extract sample. And then, so this might be, I should do, what should it know? The difference between a clap and a snap. So snap, clap. So first I'm going to record the mic. So it records 2 seconds of me snapping, and then it records and then I'm going to do the same thing on my clap section. So 2 seconds of me clapping. It needs a bunch of these. So record, extract sample, record, extract sample, extract sample. And that's my last one. I made 10, but the 8 is the minimum. So really all you have to do is 4 of these, because each second it counts as a thing. So a clap, mic. Oh, and if you don't already have your access, so it'll ask you to give it access to your microphone and video. So you're going to want to do that before. So, and then I'm going to record 2 more seconds of me clapping. Extract sample. Extract sample. Extract sample. And then I got 8. So then you're going to want to train it. And so it'll automatically, now when you train it, it'll automatically know the difference between a snap and a clap now. And then you can also export it so you can have like quick actions. So like if you pair it up with maybe like IFTTT, oh yeah, you don't switch tabs when you're doing this, when it's training. So you can also do a preview. So you can also do export it to like IFTTT. So like when you snap, when it's up and you snap, then it will do some like turn your lights on. When you clap, it'll turn your lights off. It's actually a pretty cool thing. So it's training right now. So it knows background noise. So mine's a little glitchy right now, but see, it knows the difference. So it'll know what you're doing, because it takes the majority of what you think is happening and what it thinks it's happening, and it uses that as the input. So So it's being a little delayed for me right now, but it does work. Sometimes it can't hear me snap. So, but yeah, you can. It does pretty well. I've not used it on anything major yet, but yes, it does pretty well on this thing. I don't know why it's detecting me talking as clapping or snapping, but it's actually pretty cool. Snap, clap. So yeah, that's the first thing. The second thing is, so I found this cool thing called Anchor. So Anchor is a super easy way to make a podcast, and I've been using it for a little while now. Triggs Tech is now on major platforms. Anchor will automatically add your podcast to all the major platforms. So I'm already on Spotify, and within 24 hours. I just made my thing today, but within 24 hours, I'm already on Spotify. I can do this on my phone or on my laptop or anything. Anchor is pretty cool, so I think y'all should try it out if you want to cast. Thank you for watching Triggs Tech. Have a nice day, y'all. Bye.